exposing the secret to the quickest, tastiest tomato chutney. In just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. This recipe is perfect for those moments when you need a quick fix, whether it's for an unexpected guest or a sudden craving. First, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. You can use any oil of your choice, but I recommend using vegetable oil or sunflower oil for a neutral flavor. Make sure the pan is hot enough before you add the oil, as this helps in cooking the ingredients evenly. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few curry leaves, and 2 chopped green chilies. The mustard seeds will start to pop, releasing their nutty aroma, while the curry leaves and green chilies add a burst of freshness and heat. If you prefer a milder chutney, you can reduce the number of chilies or remove the seeds. Let them sizzle and release that amazing aroma. This step is crucial as it forms the base flavor of your chutney. The sizzling sound and the fragrant aroma will let you know that the spices are perfectly toasted. Next, toss in 2 cups of chopped tomatoes. Use ripe, juicy tomatoes for the best results. The quality of tomatoes can make or break your chutney, so choose wisely. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of red chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Turmeric adds a beautiful golden color and earthy flavor, while the red chili powder gives the chutney its signature heat. Salt, of course, enhances all the flavors. Stir everything together and let the tomatoes cook until they're nice and soft. This should take about 3-4 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking and to prevent the spices from sticking to the bottom of the pan. As the tomatoes cook, they will start to break down and release their juices, creating a thick, flavorful base for your chutney. The mixture should be bubbling gently and the tomatoes should be soft enough to mash with the back of a spoon. Once the tomatoes are all mushy and delicious, blend the mixture until smooth. Be careful, it's hot. You can use a hand blender directly in the pan or transfer the mixture to a regular blender. If using a regular blender, let the mixture cool slightly to avoid any accidents. Pour your smooth tomato chutney back into the pan and give it one final stir. This helps to combine all the flavors and ensures a consistent texture. If the chutney is too thick, you can add a splash of water to reach your desired consistency. Garnish with some fresh cilantro for that extra pop of flavor. Cilantro not only adds a fresh herby note but also makes the chutney look vibrant and appetizing. You can also add a squeeze of lime juice for a tangy twist. And that's it! Your tangy, spicy tomato chutney is ready to serve. This chutney is incredibly versatile. Pair it with parathas, dosa, or even as a dip for your snacks. It adds a burst of flavor to any dish and can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. Imagine serving this chutney with crispy parathas for breakfast, or alongside a steaming hot dosa for dinner. It also makes a great dip for samosas, pakoras, or even plain chips. The possibilities are endless. What's your favorite chutney flavor? There are so many variations you can try. From mint chutney to coconut chutney, each has its unique taste and charm. Comment below, and we'll make it next. We love hearing from you and trying out new recipes based on your suggestions. So, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and ideas with us.